For this exercise, we're going to need 2 double jump bands tied together and attached to something stable around hip height, but again, the height doesn't matter. As far as the thickness of the bands or the intensity of the bands doesn't really matter. Over time it should, but right now we're working on sensory feedback and activation. Okay, so in this position, how we start is we're going to put facing away from the input of the band. We're going to put it into your left shoulder or right shoulder, but for this instance, it's my left shoulder. And from here, we're going to rotate around and put the band under the armpit, ultimately facing the insertion of the band. Then from there, whatever side the band is on. So right now, the band is wrapped around my left shoulder, but it's pulling from my right side. I'm going to have my right foot forward. So if the band is wrapping around my rib cage on the right side, my right foot is forward. Then from here, majority of the weight is going to be on the front foot, the right foot in this instance. And then when we think about pushing the hip back, unlocking the knee, we want to think about loading the glute in this front leg. This back leg is just a kickstand leg. From here, the main goal is for you to rotate the entire trunk. So shoulders and hips are one unit, and we're thinking about rotating the pelvis down toward the stable leg and then back to neutral, right? So again, shoulders and hips rotate together, loading that glute, looking for this glute stretch, and coming back out. Glute, back out. 2 things we don't want to do. We don't want to distribute more weight back to the other foot. Again, that foot should just be a kickstand for balance. And we don't want to load the knee front loading. So we don't want the knee to rotate forward. We want the knee to stay stacked on top of the foot. Trunk is one unison. Rotate the entire trunk and pelvis along the stable leg, looking for a stretch into the glute and coming back out.